Think about this. Every road you drive on, every public school you see, every police officer on patrol, someone paid for it, and that someone is you. Through taxes, budgets, and government spending, entire nations are built or broken. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we take big economic ideas and make them clear, engaging, and worth remembering. Today's topic, part of our Finance and Institutions series, is what public finance is, how governments raise money, how they decide where to spend it, and why these choices affect your daily life. The full economics playlist is linked in the description below. What is public finance? Public finance is the study of how governments collect and use money to manage a country's economy and serve its citizens. It's built on three pillars. 1. Revenue collection, primarily through taxes. 2. Budgeting, planning how to allocate resources. 3. Expenditure, spending on public goods and services. Taxes. The government's main income taxes come in many forms. Direct taxes, like income tax, paid straight to the government. Indirect taxes, like GST or VAT, paid when buying goods and services. Example, in most countries, income tax funds essential services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. The budget, a nation's financial blueprint. Every year, governments release a budget, a plan for how much they'll spend and where the money will come from. A balanced budget is ideal, but governments often run deficits, spending more than they collect, common in recessions. Surpluses, collecting more than they spend, rare but healthy long-term. Government spending, building the nation. Public spending goes toward infrastructure, roads, bridges, power plants, social programs, healthcare, welfare, pensions, national security, defense, law enforcement. But bad spending choices or corruption can lead to debt crises and economic instability. Historical note: Greece's 2009 debt crisis was partly due to excessive borrowing and poor fiscal management. Quote to remember: the budget is not just a collection of numbers, but an expression of our values and aspirations. Jack Lew. Why this matters to you. Your taxes decide the quality of public services you get. Government spending affects economic growth, inflation, and job creation. Fiscal policy shapes the future of your country's development. By understanding public finance, you can better judge whether your government is making wise choices or just spending recklessly. Coming up next, Universal Basic Income, UBI, good or bad. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Add platform icons and editing for more animated, easy-to-digest lessons on money, markets, and public policy. This is the Learning Studio, where economics meets everyday life.